What? I'm going crazy. What? I'm going crazy.
In this video, we are to draw a simple ground floor plan. So I will start from new. So I'll click on the new. Okay, so at this space, what I will do first is I will pick my wall from the home tab. Then I'll come to the properties. So I'll change my weight to 150. Then I will start with the drawing. So I'll come to this space. So I'll first draw two walls. So one this way, one horizontal, one vertical. I'll have it this way. Then I will pick wall again. I will be at this point. I'll move it forward. Then I'll type my dimension. So per my dimension, that side is a room. So I'll type 4,500. I'll press enter. Then I'll come down 5,000. Enter. I'll join it to this wall. So I'll pick wall, continue. I'll place it here, move it forward. Then I'll type 1,500. I'll press enter. Then I'll come down 2,500. I'll press enter. Then I'll join it to this wall. Then I'll place my mouse pointer here. I'll move it forward. I'll type 4,000. I'll press enter. Then I'll join from this side to this side. So I'll pick this point, then I'll move it backwards so that I can have it perpendicular. So I'll click, then I'll pick this point. I'll click here, then I'll join to this point. I'll pick wall again. I'll place my mouse pointer here. I'll come down 1,500. I'll press enter. Then I'll join it to this wall. Then I'll pick wall. Place my mouse pointer here. I'll come down 1,500. I'll press enter. Then I'll go 2,500. Enter. I'll join it to this side. I'll pick wall again. Place my mouse pointer here. I'll come down 4,000. Enter. I'll go forward. I'll pick this point. Then I'll join it to this point. Then I'll pick this point. I'll join it to this point. Then from here, the porch is 2,000. I'll type 2,000. I'll pick this point. Then I'll join here. So the next thing is to trim these walls. So I'll type TR. The trim will come at this bottom. I'll pick. Then I'll click on those walls to trim. The next thing I'll do is to add my doors and windows. So I'll pick door. Then for the type, I'll pick this. I'll come to door at this side. Then I'll I'll pick the hinge single STU. I'll pick that door. Then I'll come to the properties. The width, I'll change it to 900. Then the height, 2100. Then I'll click at this side. Then I'll come to the walls. I'll place my mouse pointer on the wall. Then I'll click. So the door will be active this way. And in case you want to change the swing angle here is 90, so I can make it 60. So I'll come back. So I will place one here. I'll place another one too. I'll place another one too here. So I'll pick door and continue. So I'll place another one. Another one here. So you can see where the point is snapping. Just pick that point and drag it along that line to place your door. Then I'll place another one too here. For the swinging, you click on the door, then press this arrow. It will swing to the other side. So I'll place my washroom door. So I'll change the width to 750. The same height. I'll come to this wall. I'll click. I'll place another one too here. Okay, so I have my washroom and my kitchen and also the bedroom. So I want to place a double door for the porch way. So I'll pick this one. Uh, then I'll change my rate to 1500. Then I'll come to this wall. I'll click. I'll place one here. So I've placed my doors. So I'll move to window. So I'll pick window. Then for the window, I'll go to window side. Then I'll pick this glider. So I'll pick that one. So the windows, the width is 1500 and the height is 1200. Then I'll come down to cell height. The cell height is 900. So I'll click. Then I'll come to this wall. I'll click. I'll place one here. 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 Another one to here. Another one to here. So let's come to the kitchen. For the kitchen, the width is the same, but the height is 900. Then the cell height is 1200. So I'll place one here. Then I'll place another one too here. So I have it this way. So now I'll add my text. So I'll go to annotate. Then I'll pick this multi-line text. So I'll pick that one. Then I'll click here. I'll drag it to expand. Then I'll click again. So I'll type my. So here is bedroom. For the font size, you can choose to change it. So for me, I like romantic. So I'll choose the romantic font style. So romantic bedroom 2. Then instead of picking the text, I'll select this one. Then I'll copy one to here, 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 one here. Then I'll change the name. So here I'll double click on this name. Then I'll change it to bath/WC. So I'll copy this bath/WC text to this side. So here will be yard. Then here will be kitchen. Here will be living area. And here will be porch. So I have it this way.
What? I'm going crazy. What? I'm going crazy.